Hey, this is James Eats coming back at you with another video. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Click that noti bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beef stir fry with ginger and shallots. Simple dish, minimal ingredients, but packs of punch and flavour. For this dish I'm just using some beef steak that I've already sliced. It's also been marinating for the last 20 minutes. What I'm using in this marinade is 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of water, and just a couple of dashes of the black pepper. I'm also adding some shallots, I've julienned some ginger, we've got some diced garlic here, I've got the stems of a couple of spring onions that I've just halved. We've also got 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, tablespoon of sesame oil. I've already made a sauce that we're going to add to the beef at a later stage of the cooking process. This sauce has 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and that sugar is just to cut through that saltiness of the soy sauce, and half a cup of water. I've added a couple of tablespoons of oil, and firstly we want to cook our meat first. So in goes our meat. Give it a good stir, and you only want to cook this until it's 3/4 of the way cooked, and then we're going to be removing this from the heat. Okay, so our steak is ready. Don't worry if it's still a little bit pink, that will cook as we stir fry it later with the sauce. So we can now remove this from the heat. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more oil to cook our ginger. Then goes our ginger. And we want to stir fry that until we start to smell the fragrance. Okay. Then goes the shallots, and also the spring onion stems. Now this won't take long to stir fry, probably give it about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to add in our beef. Ooh, that is smelling real good. Okay, to this we're going to add our Shaoxing wine and our sesame oil. Give that a further stir fry. Crank up the heat. Alright, so now we're going to add in some of our sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to add some of the spring onion leaf part that I'm going to add in now, and we are done. We're ready to plate. Touch it off with a bit of spring onion. And there it is. My version of the stir-fry beef with shallots and green onion. James Eats styles. Alright, let's give this a try. Tender beef, that savouriness from that sauce, that lovely ginger flavour, yet not overpowering, and that hint of garlic coming through at the end. So delicious, such a crack of a dish. And let me tell you, you serve this to your family and friends and you won't be able to get rid of them, that's for sure. If you want to check out my orange chicken recipe, click on the link above here, and if you haven't already, click below to subscribe. If you want to see me cook any other recipes, you got some suggestions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching here on James Eats.